Hi, Unefa. Hi, Hania.
Hey, Kaya.
Hi. So what are we doing today? What are we going to make?
Mixing.
Mixing and making.
Cake.
Oh, wow. So Unefa is making a cake using this brownie kit.
Go, boy, go.
All right. So you want to open this box?
Yeah.
Can you open?
Me.
All right. Sit. Let's open the box and see what we have.
Yay. Bunny.
What are these?
Give me a hug.
What is this?
What's this?
Okay, these are pretzels and candies to decorate the cake. And we have this cake mix here. And yeah, okay, this is the brownie mix.
Whoa.
What else you see?
What?
Okay, let me see.
No, I do like.
Okay, Unefa, this is the frosting, okay?
I got the fancy.
Okay, we have got frosting. I think this is the crust.
Yeah.
And this is brownie mix. This is for decoration. All right, so what else we need, Unefa? We need, what is this?
This is milk.
Milk, eggs,
Eggs.
and what is this?
Huh?
What is this?
Salsa.
Butter.
Butter.
All right, so we need eggs, milk, and butter, and this cake mix.
I want eggs. Say egg, mommy. Egg.
Oh. Okay, let's put this crust mix here.
Yay. Okay. Yes, mommy. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got crust mix here, and we'll put 2 tablespoons butter.
Butter.
Okay,
Yeah.
and we'll put some milk.
Some butter. They're fasting.
And mix this.
Or fasting, mommy. It's a fasting candy. The candy. Mommy, hi, mommy.
Whenever you want to mix,
Yes.
you can mix.
Let me do it. Okay.
Done?
Done. I'm done. Oh, mess.
All right.
Oh, mess.
Okay, mix it. Good job, Hania. Very good. I help you?
No.
Okay. Let mommy do. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉक्स क्रस्ट मिक्स में थोड़ा सा बटर ऐड करना था और मिल्क के साथ इसको स्प्रेड करना है, तो हम रेडी कर लिए हैं. अब केक ब्राउनी का जो बैटर है वो रेडी करेंगे. What do we have here? हाँ, केक मिक्स. Okay, चलो let's put the cake mix or the brownie mix in the bowl. Okay? Okay. So here we have brownie mix. Now you want to put the eggs?
Yes.
Put this.
Put this. Mommy, put that.
You want me to put?
Put it, mommy.
Okay, so we'll put 2 eggs here. Okay. No eating, Hania. And we'll put some butter. 5 tablespoons. Okay, 5 spoons. Okay. Hey. And we'll put some milk. Here you go. Okay, now mix. Slowly.
Mix it.
Shall I do it?
Let me do it.
Okay. Hania, no eating. Wait. Okay, let me show you how to do, Nefa. Mix it like this.
I will do it. Mommy. Yes. Yeah. Pointer. What is it? No.
Mix it.
Mix. Mix too. Mommy, do it by myself. Me. I want to do it. Yes. I want to do it. Okay, mommy. I'm gonna do this, mommy. This way. Yeah. No, your fingers, mommy. No, like this. Okay.
सो उनैफा जब तक केक बेक हुआ उनैफा अपना नैप ले लिए एंड द केक इज रेडी टू डेकोरेट. उनैफा, you want to put candies on this?
Yay!
Yes?
Yes.
Alright, then start putting the candies and pretzels on this.
Let's have some candles here. Oh, wow. Try cake.
Brownie पे डालो उनैफा, your cake. उनैफा.
Yeah. My fork. Yeah, yum. Oh, no. Give me. Okay. That's it.
You want to put the candies also?
Yeah. Me. Oh. Oh, no. Some more cake. Oh. Hen?
Looks nice, Unefa. Looks good?
I'll put some more.
This is enough.
Yeah. Little bit.
I think this is enough, Unefa. This is,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's cut it, okay? So the cake is all ready. You wanna eat? Huh?
Have my bowl.
Oh, okay. बहुत ज़्यादा डिलिशियस ब्राउनी बनी है और इसका जो क्रस्ट है वो बिस्किट का मिक्सचर था. बहुत ही यम्मी. एंड उनैफा, डू यू लाइक इट? इज इट यम्मी?
Yes. Nice.
आपकी बर्थडे है?
Yeah.
ऑल राइट, तो ये थी केक बेकिंग विद उनैफा एंड हानिया एंड दे डिड रियली very well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.